Careful.
Oh shit!
It's happened.
Someone's about to get arrested.
Ready? Drew, tell us if there's a car coming.
There's no cars. Can you guys... Where's your other phone?
Take a picture. How do I get up without ruining it?
You guys suck at angels. Babe, I can't even see. That doesn't even look like an angel.
You're over there.
That doesn't look like anything.
Looks really good.
Allie's?
Yeah, it looks like an angel.
My phone's way. It won't even let me take pictures.
Let's do a bunch in a row.
Yo, let's fucking throw snowballs at JB.